Secondly, you have to change your attitude from a negative attitude that it can't happen. You have to come to a positive attitude that you will make it happen. Till now you are feeling that I can't do this, right? But now you have to change your way of thinking. What you have to reverse it. This is called the law of reversibility, where if you start thinking I can, what happens? Your whole system, your mind, body, emotions all move towards the feeling of I can. Now how that can be done, I'm going to tell you. Okay, what happens? Till now you have been feeling I can't, right? This is where you are, right? When you are feeling I can't. When you are feeling I can't, what happens? You come to this position where you are not feeling confident. You're not feeling motivated. You're feeling afraid. So, because you're feeling afraid and demotivated, what happens? You come to this position. This position is where you feel I cannot do it. How can I do it? You are doubting yourself. So then now when you are doubting yourself, you don't take any action. You reach this point. At this point you are not taking any step towards achieving. And because you have not taken any steps to achieve, you obviously fail. Correct? Now since you have failed, what do you feel? I told you no, I cannot do it. I can't. So this is a vicious cycle that you are going through presently. Now you have to break that cycle. So the first thing you have to do is start thinking I can. So when you want to think I can, what will happen? I will show you just now, okay? Now just pretend and say I can. Say with me, I can. Say it aloud, say it aloud. Believe me, by just saying it aloud, it's going to help you. No one is around you, no one is hearing you. So just say it aloud, I can. Yes, that's the way, okay? Now when you are saying I can, what happens? What do you start feeling? You start feeling positive. You start feeling yes. You start feeling confident within yourself. You feel yes, I can. You know, somehow the whole psychology changes and you start feeling energized and motivated. So you reach this position. So what do? You start taking some steps. You feel full of confidence. You start taking the steps to do whatever you want to do. Okay? Now when you take the steps to do what you want to do, you initially might or might not succeed. But then there are chances of you succeeding. So then when you do succeed, what happens? You feel, yay, I felt I can and I have proved to myself that I can. So you give a pat on the back to yourself. Why? Because you have changed from I can't to I can. This is a very, very important step in life. Not just for fear, for anything that you want to do. Now this cycle, now this is not a vicious cycle. This is a very positive and energizing cycle. And you must try to remain in this cycle. And to remain in the cycle, you have to first say, I can. Okay? So this is step number 2. To overcome your fears. And this, in fact, is going to help you not only just to overcome your fears in a number of things, which you yourself will realize slowly and steadily.